don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Super Sport 0. I'm joined by Umenier Oetiski. Thoughts, please.
Bangibuzile utho namhlanje ayishisi. Abasanda wana yapheka.
Hey. Yapheka lezi bathi yakhala maniphe.
Asashisi namhlanje.
Hey.
Okay, siqala kuphi konje? Okay.
Aqala anyway, Umenier.
Sibo. I-pre-season, sesokwi-pre-season.
Kahle.
Yeah, amanye ama-team asa-fighter for i-top 8. Yeah, but thina sesekwi-pre-season manje.
Yeah.
And yini aim ye-pre-season still?
To prepare for the season.
To prepare for i-season elandelayo, ne?
Yes.
Okay. First 10 minutes nginothise something ebengazi ngayibona, ne?
Yini Umenier?
With uNkota. Previous games abantu bebekhala ngokuthi u-selfish, ne? Bebekhala ngokuthi u-selfish. I-position yakhe enormal udlala as right winger, ne?
Yeah.
But today umfukeng ubengekho. So ubedlala as left wing.
Yes.
And first 10 minutes into enginoticile Sithibo.
Yini Umenier?
Ibhola kalidelay ubethatha ibhola elifaka eboxini edlala ama cross. I think first 7 minutes I think udlala ama cross around 2 and then 10 minutes I think around about 3 wama cross awadlalile.
Makadlala on a strong foot.
Yes. Because enye into ebuye yenza ukuthi abantu bethi uselfish because if edlala as right wing ufuna ukukhatha in ngalesikhathi ekhatha in thola ukuthi kune run eyenzakalayo or umfukeng u-free okanye use-spacing kule enye channel bese ngamdlaleli ngenxa yokuthi usuyefuna ukukhatha in bese sasa ama shots because u-strong ngani ngama shots na ukukhatha in sometimes uphinde yenze noma kungena sidingo ne remember ngihleze ngitshela i-strength sakho siyaba yini siyaba i-weakness
yeah that's a fact.
Yeah, but today njengoba ngithi mina bekuyi pre-season and i-pre-season usuku prepare for
the next season.
Ingibonisile ukuthi
next season
u-strong uma sidlala ngama cross.
Miba ngamfaka.
Yes, because aka delay
uyalahle.
Yes.
Yeah.
Uma ngale kwi-right as a right winger ufuna ukudelay ufuna ukukhatha in ufuna ushaya ama step overs
mela ama run.
Yes, abantu ba run egcina ngaphasanga.
Yes.
But if edlala as left wing effective.
Ulfaka
yes, effective.
Nginothisa hali le mina.
Yeah, first 10 minutes ne.
But that's why ngiphethe wena.
Yes. Alright, asibele la Sipho. Yazi man kunabantu aba underrated man. Special Ndlovu.
Super Sport United.
Yeah, Special Ndlovu kunento engihleze nginothisa ngayo. I-ball control yakhe.
Yeah.
I-top still.
Elite.
Yeah, i-top.
Yeah.
Ball control yakhe i-top since insuku zakhe sakwi-Maritzburg. Sadlala nabo Fortune Makaring nabo Mabuwe.
Yeah.
Top kakhulu. Baya kwi-Buccaneer same thing. Super Sports namanje aka change. Kunalokho uyakhula.
Yeah.
Uyakhula. So for intwana ezincane zasekazi efuna ukuba ne
box to box.
Yeah, box to box.
Ngolo Kante.
Yes, for intwana zasekazi efuna ukufana no special in terms of ball control no okanye to improve ball control, comfort and confidence on the ball ne. Na into esimple Sithibo kumele uyenze.
Yini mina?
Into esimple enganakekile. Thenga tennis ne? Tennis.
Ball, yeah?
Yes, tennis.
Yeah.
Uyalithatha i-tennis wenza something esibiza I think ekasi bathi ukuteka or uyaligenda.
Yeah.
uligende using your laces, ne?
Okay.
Yeah, you use your laces inside and outside of your foot.
Okay.
Use your thighs, chest, nanekhanda, ne? Uyenze leyo nto daily. I-ball control yakhe izo-improve.
Okay.
I-comfort, uzoba comfortable ebholeni.
Okay.
Nane-confidence uzoba nayo ebholeni.
Yeah.
Why? Because le nto uyenza daily, ibhola liyajwayela unyawo. Umzimba uyajwayela ukucontrola ibhola. Ingakho kungekho lula ukuthi uthathe ibhola kubani kuspace ihle Ndlovu. So wena umfana omncane usakhula ekasi ufuna ukuba strong ebholeni. Thatha i-tennis. Yabo ukuthi i-tennis lincane kanjani? If ukwazi ukuteka nge-tennis using your laces, using your thighs, using your chest, even nanekhanda. Imagine ngebhola elikhulu. Uba better cause uteka ngani nge-tennis, i-tennis lincane. Ungagcini lapho Sithibo. Again, enye into esimple. Kunezinto ezisimple Sithibo esibukela phansi. Thatha ibhola ke manje a normal size. Udlala odongweni Sithibo. Pass and receive odongweni. Uyenze lo nto daily. Leyo nto izokusiza to improve i-passing and receiving yakho. Izophinde futhi kusize kwi-control ne-comfort because unyawo liyajwayela ngesikhathi lokuphasa ushaya udongo, lokuphasa ushaya udongo. Uyenze daily. Even ama-top players bayayenza le nto Sithibo. Because if le nto uyenza daily, unyawo liyajwayela ekureceive ibhola, liyajwayela ekubeni comfortable ngokuphasa ngokuphasa ibhola. So ezinye izinto siyibuka zisimple but zi-effective.
Very.
Remember, thola i-tennis elincane, uteke daily. Thola ibhola udlale odongweni ekhaya kini awudingi nokuthi uzuye kuphi ekhaya kini thatha ibhola udlale leyo nto iya-improve ine-control, improve i-comfort ne-confidence.
Thola ama-reps.
Yes, because nanokurana nebhola uyakhona ukuthi urane nalo. And imagine as a professional player awukwazi ukuteka ibhola. Remember kuma-warm up kuyi-part of i-drill ukuthi enze njani stake ibhola. So wena uyafika wentwana encane uyakhula awukwazi ukuteka ibhola. Into engadingi nokuthi le uzuyele kwi-academy, into ongazenzela yona ku ekhaya.
Yeah, it's true Minera.
Into ongazenzela yona ekhaya Sipho.
Man of the match Minera.
Okay.
Great advice.
Yeah, for intwana zasekasi ngihleze ngiyiphethe uyazi.
Hey,
alright. Before sifike kwi-man of the match Sipho, ngibe happy ngodladla ne. Udladla uyambona ukuthi ekukhuleni kwakhe uzohambe efane noSipho ne. In terms of ukuba i-ball player, uya add amanamba. Okay, first game kusakhona ukuthuka nani.
Yeah.
But uyabonisa yena ukuthi ucomfortable ebholeni in terms of ukudlala because remember ugoalkeeper akusebona ugoalkeeper bakudala labo kuthiwa bayavimba. Manje ugoalkeeper umdinga ukuthi add lama numbers because remember normally if ama player a11 kuthiwa it's 10 players plus a goalkeeper. But if you know goalkeeper kwazi ukudlala ibhola you have 11 players.
It's true.
If you know goalkeeper ngakwazi ukudlala ibhola you have 10 players plus a goalkeeper.
Yes.
But if you know goalkeeper kwazi ukudlala ibhola
11 players.
You have 11 players. So ngibe happy umbona ukuthi ayi ucomfortable and ukhamba kwesikhathi uzokhula ebe right.
Ayipolish.
Yeah, uzokhula ebe right. And then Sithibo ngithanda ukubongela Durban City ne.
Okay, Peter Marisburg.
Yeah, but it's based eThekwini. Yeah, Durban City. So yeah, 30 minutes ase KZN and after lento yenzakalile sibelahlekelwe umdlali nalama case lawa. So kungijabulisile ukubona ngazi ukuthi case ya indaba yaphela yabo. Yeah, and after beshone lo umdlali yabona ukuthi kube bekunzima but yeah, hopefully ne-out la ekhona iyasmile ilala ngokuthula ukubona amajita ephumelele. Yeah, to i-promotion. To be honest, going back to man of the match, man of the match ngayikaya ama-fans lawa sepolukwane lawa hambila egroundini. Remember manje sesikwi-pre-season and for bona ukuthi bephume be-groundini ngiyabagaya man of the match.
Mina ngeka uSweetheart.
Ukabani?
Sweetheart.
Ubani uSweetheart?
Uyazi leyo fan ye-cheese?
Angiyazi.
Buza nga.